Hello everyone, I am Dr. Atya Arzu. Welcome back to the Media channel. Today our topic is on acid rain. Especially we will discuss about what is acid rain and how acid rain forms and what is the effects of acid rain on the environment and its control measures. You can see here the principle is only based on the primary air pollutant and secondary air pollutant. Before going to this, you have to know what is primary air pollutant. The air pollutant which directly emits from the source is known as primary air pollutant. For example, you can see here NO2, SO2, that is your oxides of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen, which are directly emits from the different sources like industry, like urbanization, and these primary air pollutants, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur, and oxides of carbon, etc., reacts with atmospheric water vapor and forms several acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and carbonic acid. And these acids mixed with rainwater and form acid rain. Now we go in detail and to know about its causes, effects, and its control measure. I have already discussed what is acid rain. Acid rain refers to the rain that is abnormally acidic, and in simple words, it is the rain that is acidic in nature due to some pollutants like oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur. Uh, here, two should be subscript. And the water vapor on reacting with nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide produces nitric acid and sulfuric acid respectively. And for example, of acid rain in the form of rain, snow, fog, hail, dust, etc. And the term acid rain was given by Scottish chemist Robert Angus Smith in 1852. And the pH of normal rain, which is slightly acidic, which is ranges from 5.3 to 5.6, whereas the pH of acidic rain lies between 4.2 to 4.4. And two types of acid rains are there. One is your wet deposition, another one is your dry deposition. And with several causes of acid rains I have already discussed. The several causes are industrialization, urbanization, and deforestation, which releases the oxides of carbon, oxides of nitrogen, and oxide of sulfur. And these oxides of carbon, oxides of nitrogen, and oxides of sulfur converted into secondary pollutants like your nitric acid, carbonic acid, and sulfuric acid. And effects of acid rain, there are several effects of acid rains are there. It directly affects on the water bodies, it affects on forest, affects on soil, and also affects on drinking water. I have already elaborated all these points here. You can fetch from this. You can see here several effects of acid rain in forest cover, in leaves, and also in some monuments. And you can see in here in aquatic habitats how these species are died, and several also effects. It also affects on our internal organs and also skin. And here you can see the how the monuments affected. Monument Taj Mahal corroded by this acid rain. You can see here previously Taj Mahal was like this, and but now due to the effect of acid rain, it's looking like yellowish. And yeah, the reaction is here. But here this 3, 4, and 2 all should be subscript. Similarly, the Statue of Liberty changes its color due to acid rain. And how can we control measure over acid rain? The only way to reduce acid rain is by reducing the release of pollutants that lead to it. For example, your oxides of carbon, oxides of nitrogen, and oxides of sulfur. We have to reduce this. Besides this, we can do our part by reducing our vehicle use and using public transport, walking, and by using bicycles, by using carpoolings, etc. The use of electricity can be reduced and it is produced using fossil fuels. Also, solar energy can be used instead of this. And by reducing emission of oxides of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen, acid rain can be controlled. This is the only way. So this is all about acid rain, its causes, effects, and control measure. I hope all of you can understand it well. So thank you for watching this video.